Sunset falls, a hushed and holy air. The Triduum begins, a time for prayer. From Monday, Thursday, shadows start to creep. A journey deep, promises to keep. Triduum, Triduum, 3 days of grace. Through suffering's path we see His face. From humble washings to the bitter cross, He paid the price to redeem our loss. The bread is broken, the wine is poured, a new command forevermore. Love one another as I have loved you, a sacrifice both old and new. Good Friday dawns, a sky of mournful gray. The King is stripped and taken away. Upon the hill He hangs in agony. For all mankind He sets us free. Triduum, Triduum, 3 days of grace. Through suffering's path we see His face. From humble washings to the bitter cross, He paid the price to redeem our loss. He sleeps within the tomb, a silent stone. Hope seems to vanish, we're left alone. But even darkness can't contain His light. He conquers death and wins the fight. Holy Saturday, a vigil we embrace, waiting in silence for His saving grace. The flame is lit, dispelling all the fear. The promise whispered, He is so near. Triduum, Triduum, 3 days of grace. Through suffering's path we see His face. From humble washings to the bitter cross, He paid the price to redeem our loss. Then Easter morning burst with glorious sound.